Bullish Doge value expectation is 8 cents to 34 cents. Dogecoin cost could likewise reach 30 cents soon. Bearish Doge cost expectation for 2023 is 4 cents. In Dogecoin cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Doge to break down the future development of the digital currency. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a well-known image coin that was forked from Litecoin in December 2013. The coin was made by Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer from a viral image of the canine variety, Shiba Inu. Doge keeps on existing as a shared and open-source digital currency. Not at all like Bitcoin. Dogecoin utilizes a proof-of-work agreement instrument that depends on the script calculation. This presents less block time for the Dogecoin organization. Bitcoin requires as long as 10 minutes to handle a block though. In Dogecoin, the block time is 1 moment. This image coin is perceived as the most loved crypto of Tesla chief Elon Musk. Musk's tweet on Dogecoin and his perpetual help for it appears to speed up huge cost rallies for the image coin. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. Dogecoin stands firm on the 9th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. Doge cost forecast 2023 is made sense of underneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Dogecoin spread out the sliding triangle example. This example is much of the time viewed as a trait of a negative pattern. It is shaped by the upper pattern line that interfaces the highs and a level pattern line interfacing lows unites to frame a triangle. On the off chance that the cost activity penetrates the lower support level, the negative pattern would be maintained. By and large, diving triangle design shows the inversion of an upturn or the continuation of the downtrend. Brokers distinctly pay special attention to a critical breakout point. Right now, Dogecoin is in the scope of 8 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of Doge could arrive at the opposition levels of 8 cents, 10 cents, and 11 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Doge might tumble to 6 cents. Dogecoin backing and opposition levels. The graph beneath shows the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin. From the above day-to-day time period, we can obviously decipher the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels for Dogecoin. The graphs show that Dogecoin has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at 34 cents in like manner. On the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Dogecoin could dive to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Dogecoin value forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Dogecoin is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Doge lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Dogecoin is displayed in the diagram above. Prominently, Dogecoin cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in an upswing. At present, Doge has entered a bullish state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Doge whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the Doge is 61.47. This implies that Dogecoin is in an overbought state. In any case, this implies a significant value inversion of Doge might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Dogecoin value expectation 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Dogecoin. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Dogecoin. Right now, the ADX of Doge lies in the scope of 36.31681, and in this manner, it shows major areas of strength for it. The above graph likewise addresses the general unpredictability file of Dogecoin. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Doge lies over 50, showing high instability. Truth be told, the RSI of Dogecoin is at 61.47, hence affirming a potential sell signal. Correlation of Doge with BTC, ETH. The underneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value activities of Doge is a comparative pattern as for BTC and ETH. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments, the cost of Doge increments. What's more, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of Doge diminishes. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while gauging costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should really look at what Dogecoin will cost somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Dogecoin value forecast 2024. In the event that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Dogecoin could most likely accomplish 50 cents by 2024. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. With a few redesigns in the organization, Dogecoin could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Doge could revitalize to hit $1 by 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Doge would energize to hit $3. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Doge would energize to hit $5. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. If Dogecoin supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Doge would mobilize to hit $8. Dogecoin value forecast 2029. Dogecoin holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Doge would hit $10 in 2029. Dogecoin value expectation 2030. In the event that financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Dogecoin, it would observe significant spikes. Doge could hit $13 by 2030. And with consistent enhancements in the Dogecoin organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Doge. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Dogecoin in 2023 is 34 cents. On the other hand, the negative value expectation of Dogecoin for 2022 is 4 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Dogecoin biological system, the presentation of Doge would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 73 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 30 cents on the off chance that the financial backers accept that Doge is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is the trailblazer memecoin that hit the business sectors in late 2013. It was conceived out of a viral canine image. Dogecoin network was a fork of Litecoin. 2. Where could you at any point buy Dogecoin? Dogecoin has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, OKX, Gate.io, Bybit. 3. Will Dogecoin come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Dogecoin stage, Doge has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Dogecoin? On May 8, 2021, Dogecoin arrived at its new all-time high of 73 cents. 5. Is Dogecoin a wise interest in 2023? Dogecoin is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Dogecoin in the beyond couple of months, Doge is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Will Dogecoin reach 30 cents? Dogecoin is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. At last, in the event that this bullish pattern proceeds, Dogecoin